always thought of AI as the most profound technology, more profound than fire or electricity.
Just a week ago, these mind-blowing AI tools were mere dreams. Now, they're a reality. From cutting-edge open-source language models to free versions of once premium image enhancers, plus a bunch of new apps that'll blow your mind. Let's explore 6 game-changing AI tools you can't afford to miss. Number 1. Free Upscaler. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mesmerizing world of cutting-edge AI tools that are about to blow your minds. Korea just dropped the beta version of their revolutionary platform, and brace yourselves, it's absolutely free. Yup, you heard me right. There are no strings attached. Just hop on over to Korea AI, throw in your Google account details, and boom, you're in. Now, let's talk about this upscale and enhanced tool. It's like the superhero version of what we geeked out over last week, but without the hefty price tag. Just hit that plus button, toss in an image, hit enhance, and witness the magic unfold. It's like watching a masterpiece being created in real time. Seriously, it made a whole person vanish with just one click. Feeling a bit mischievous? Well, here's where it gets interesting. Tweak the AI strength, and you've got the power to preserve or erase like a digital wizard. But hold on to your hats because Korea is no one-trick pony. They got a bag full of tricks. Turn logos into mind-bending illusions, create digital art on a live canvas, or morph a blue mushroom into a majestic tree. Yes, you heard me right again. It's like stepping into a digital wonderland. And the best part? It's all right there, neatly packed, waiting for you to unleash your tech creativity. Number 2. Real-time video face swapping. Next, we're about to dive into a topic that's both a bit spooky and ridiculously entertaining. So you know how deepfakes can be a little unsettling. Well, head on over to F. Get ready for the most entertaining deepfake app I've stumbled upon. Picture this. You pull in your computer's camera, hit that magic button, and bam, George Clooney in a snazzy suit, with a bonus chandelier added for extra flair. Now let's dissect this web interface wizardry. It's not flawless, expect a bit of lag, but come on, it's incredible. Watch as it turns my cozy sweater into a suit and swaps my mug for George's. And here's the kicker. It's not just a one-trick pony. You can tweak the text prompt to whatever you fancy. Wanna see me presenting as George Clooney? Sure thing. But let's up the ante. How about a little less mainstream? I throw in Borat as the prompt, and would you look at that? It's next-level great success. It's not flawless, sure, but it's a whole new level of fun you've got to try and maybe even show off to your pals. Number 3. AI YouTube. Get ready for a deep dive into a groundbreaking AI experiment. Someone rebuilt YouTube with 100% AI-generated videos. While not Hollywood material yet, it's a thought-provoking glimpse into a future where AI takes the lead in content creation. Imagine a landscape where AI seamlessly blends with human-made gems. This experiment sparks inspiration, hinting at the potential evolution of social media platforms over the years. We're living in an era where technology is racing ahead, and this AI YouTube venture is a testament to that. Now, you might wonder, why bother with AI-generated videos when we have a plethora of talented human creators? Fair question. The answer lies in the curiosity to explore the uncharted territories of artificial intelligence in the creative realm. The current videos on this AI YouTube platform may not be cinematic masterpieces, but that's not the point. It's about envisioning what could be, about pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. It's a glimpse into the potential marriage of human creativity and artificial intelligence, a duo that might redefine how we perceive content creation. Number 4. Julius A. Sure, we've explored the data-crunching powers inside ChatGPT's code interpreter, but Julius AI is like the cool cousin who brings something extra to the party. This tool isn't just about analyzing data sets or creating eye-catching visualizations, it goes beyond that. Picture this. You can train machine learning models with only text prompts. Yeah, you heard me right. Julius AI is purpose-built for data analysis, offering user-friendly features that even ChatGPT might miss out on. Secure file management? Check. Data cleaning functions? Double check. Intuitive system prompting that guides you along the way? Triple check. What sets Julius apart is its thoughtful approach. It's not just throwing you into the deep end of data science, it's holding your hand through the entire process. Need prompts to dive deeper? Julius suggests them at every step. And wait, there's more. Julius has vision too. Tackling a complex equation or task. Snap a photo, and it translates that into Python code snippets, solving the problem for you. Number 5. New ChatGPT alternatives. Mistral's tiny model, the 8Go into 7B, is stealing the show with its remarkable 70.6% on the NLU benchmark, competing with models much larger in size. The game-changing aspect: it's not just free but also open source, making it accessible for download and local use without an internet connection. Microsoft's F2 model, with only 2.7 billion parameters, outperforms models with 13 billion parameters, redefining efficiency in a smaller package. Comparing these to ChatGPT 3.5, the new models perform similarly, but are a fraction of the size, democratizing access to high-performance AI. How to get started? Head to Together. Sign in with your Google account, grab your API key, and dive into a hub where you can experiment with various prompts and models. The Mistral 8Go into 7B emerges as a champion, offering stellar performance in a compact open-source package. In a world where size matters, these models represent a paradigm shift, opening doors for local usage on computers and even phones. Excitingly, they promise similar performance to their larger counterparts, but at a fraction of the size. Number 6. AI Audio Toolkit. Meta's latest research project, AudioBox. This isn't just about generating music. It's a step beyond, combining various tools into one comprehensive package. AudioBox takes AI audio generation to a whole new level, and here's why it's fascinating for everyone. Imagine having a multi-track interface at your fingertips, allowing you to synthesize voices, restyle them, generate sound effects, eliminate noise from speech, and even create an audiobook, all in one go. The interactive interface makes it easy to experiment with different presets. Fixing a rocket engine. Watch as the AI generates a mix of sounds, creating a truly interactive experience. What sets AudioBox apart is its ability to handle seemingly impossible tasks. Need a laughing bear sound effect? No problem. The platform seamlessly generates even the quirkiest of sound effects, making it a versatile tool for video production. You can record your voice and apply voice restyling, transforming your phrases into various styles: happy, excited, or melodic. For content creators, AudioBox is a treasure trove of possibilities. You can generate your sound effects, tweak voices, and blend everything in one interface, adding that final touch to your production. The voice restyling feature adds an extra layer of creativity, turning your recordings into something entirely new. It's worth noting that AudioBox is currently in research preview, and there are usage limitations. Nevertheless, getting access to such a suite of audio generation tools for free is an exciting opportunity. Anyways, what do you guys think? Do drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and we'll meet again in the next episode.